tires. So for the Supermoto setup for the Husky FE501 that I just bought, sitting outside there, I bought the Pirelli Angel City tires. The rear is a 150/60/17 and the front is a 120/70/17. There might be a bit of rubbing there, but we'll see how we go. Just leave them there. The main idea for having them out here is so they can bake in the sun, so they're a little bit more malleable when it comes to time to get them on the rims. And talking about the rims, I actually don't like cutting these like right there. Don't know if the camera can pick that up. You can just separate them like that. I find that more satisfying. Easy. The rims, we've got Tubeless alloy rims from eBay. So your Supermoto rims, spoke Supermoto rims are not cheap. Even if you go to a Facebook marketplace and you're looking to buy some pre-owned. One, they're pretty rare to come by, and two, they're a bit on the expensive side. Alright, so there's the packaging. That should be the front. And this here should be our rear. On the listing, the seller says they're lightweight, but very durable. Aluminium is their main material of construction. So right now I just want to see what they look like in person. Look at that. Comes with spacers. This is nice. Is that everything? Yep, that's everything for that one. For whatever reason, some people appreciate that when unboxing. Anyway, each to their own. Not a bad finish, eh? This is one other reason why I wanted to open this, is because I'm going to need valve stems to go in there. Bright black. Interesting. Here's your Cush bits, because it's Cush Drive. The rear is a Cush Drive hub. Maybe we should keep all the rear stuff on one side and the front stuff on the other side, so we don't get things mixed up. Come on, come on, come on. More spacers. She's in there tight. Whoa. Bearings are in there, nice and flush and snug. Already has a few scratches, but it doesn't bother me. Overall packaging was really good. Yeah, sick. I'll just go and grab a couple of valve stems, and hopefully sometime in the afternoon I can get all this to fit and slap it all on the Husky, and we have a Supermoto. Sick.